guys, welcome back to the channel. Something a little bit different today. This will be a relatively short video. Got the trailer on the back of the Colorado. I'm kind of out in the middle of nowhere at the moment. Off to pick up another project. It's not for me, unfortunately, but it is something pretty cool, so I thought I'd bring you guys along for the ride. Let's go have a look. I got a message the day before yesterday from my friend Bo from Melbourne. Bo owns Cutwell Drive. It's a business that builds, a fabrication place that builds custom chassis for F100s and other trucks. Really nice guy. I've known Bo for a couple of years. I started following him on Instagram a long time ago, simply because of his banked out 64. This is before his business. He just had a cool truck. He came over to Adelaide to pick up a bump site, 68, I think it was 69, and the tow vehicle he used died while he was in Adelaide, and he got a bit stuck, so I helped him out with some stuff with that, and we've been good friends ever since. He's helped me out with some stuff since, and so he messaged me and said, I've bought a car in Adelaide, I can't get over there just yet, can you go pick it up? And I'm like, yeah, of course, no worries, I can do that, that's not a problem. And I asked where it was. He said, send me the guy's address. It's in Waikerie. Waikery's not in Adelaide, though. Waikerie is 150 plus k's north of Adelaide. Well, it's 150 k's away from my house, and I'm out of Adelaide. So I'm currently on my way to Waikerie with an empty car trailer. I've just passed Blanchetown, where you told me before. Beautiful part of the world. It's in the Riverland, north of Adelaide. I've just crossed over the Murray River, and where the truck is right on the river, I believe. So while it's not for me, it's not my project. It's a cool old truck. It's a bit of a road trip. I'm out of the shed for a change. So I thought I'd bring you a beautiful part of the world. I thought I'd bring you guys along for the ride. Have a look, see what I'm up to. Yeah, should be there shortly. So I'm just tying down the 64 now. It's a pretty cool truck. It's got everything that the 64 in my backyard needs, but unfortunately it's not mine. A lot of work on this one required. There's a new roof in the back. The roof on it's shot, but the cab's surprisingly good. Cab corners on one side of the shed. Firewall's good. The tub though, it's a short bed 6-side tub. Very hard to come by these days in Australia. So the one or two Americans that are watching this, I think there's a couple of you, you'll be like, they're everywhere. We just can't get them. They're impossible to find pretty much. And this one, the outside of the tub on both sides, is really good. So Bo's got himself a really good truck here. I'm actually really jealous. But I'll finish tying this down and go for a drive into Waikerie, grab something from the bakery, and then the bakery in Waikerie. Yeah, and we'll get this thing home.
the 64 is now safely at home, unloaded. The F700, you could tell it's now got a tow bar on it. I had to get that out of the shed to get a photo and some videos of those two trucks together. I thought that was pretty cool. I just wanted to do it for the fun of it. But I'm out in the Colorado again, doing a mission for Bo. There's now a 55 F100 sitting on the trailer. I'm at Largs Bay in Adelaide on the coast. I'll show you in a minute. But yeah, it's pretty windy today, so I did some video outside, but it's just too windy for that. But yeah, so I've picked this one up. This one's going to be possibly another build, or if someone wants to grab it while it's still in Adelaide, he is happy to sell it. So there's the cab, there's the front clip, the guards, I believe they're F600 guards. They're the big wheel opening and they're pretty trashed. The cab, the grille, the rear guards are usable, and the bonnet's got a big dent in it, but that's just, he just grabbed it because it was available and it can be used in a future build. But for now it's on my car trailer, and I'm going to take it back to my place and store it with his 64 and my 64 that's going to Bo. And yeah, and then I'll get back into what I'm doing at home. I've got a bit of a building project going on at the house, so that's taken time away from doing my editing and other stuff. But yeah, I'll get this home and we'll go from there. So, you know how people say on YouTube videos, I'm out of time for this episode. I literally ran out of time for this one. I had to fly out. As you can see, I'm no longer at home in the shed. I'm currently in WA at work. I'm at the camp where I stay for work, at mining camp. For the few of you that don't know, I work in mining. I do FIFO. I operate excavators. I've been doing that for a long time. Posted a couple of videos. Unfortunately, I'm not allowed to due to company policy. I'm not allowed to show company assets, so I can't show the machines that I operate, but I can show you the models that I operate. So I've got a couple of pictures here of what I do. So I operate Liebherr 9400s, and when we had them, I operated 996s, which is the 670 ton excavator. The 9400s are a little 350 ton excavator. That's what I do when I'm not at home working in the shed. But yeah, I'm currently in the outside area, the wet mess at this camp. For you guys that don't know, this wet mess is where the bar, basically the shop with the bar outside where we can buy alcohol. Dry mess is where we get dinner and our crib for work. But yeah, I'm up here. Not a whole lot to look at, but again, I'm out of the shed, somewhere different. The trucks, the 55, that's actually an F600. I said it's got an F600 front, the whole cab's an F600. Bo's happy to sell that if anyone in Adelaide wants that, or anyone anywhere else wants that. That's up for grabs for one of his customers or anyone that wants it. And the same with the 64, the blue one. That was brought with the intention of putting on one of his chassis for a customer. But if anyone wants to look at that truck, that is available. I'll put Bo's details, Cutwell Drive on Instagram. Chase him up. Yeah, chase him up and have a chat to him. That would be very cool on one of his chassis. And the other truck comes with the 64 that I've got, which has got a mint front clip on it. So between that, you can make a pretty good truck. But yeah, I'll leave that here. Thanks again for watching. It's a bit of a mixed up video, I know, I've been all over the place, but that's pretty much my life. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one where I'll be working on the coop hopefully. And I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.